Good morning. Today is the 14th of September. Just left the shelter, crossing the road. Oh, sunshine, a little bit of warmth. We're going to be climbing a mountain soon. Probably be making it into Monson tomorrow. We'll definitely be making it into Monson by tomorrow. Today, we probably be going 13 point some miles. But we got a little bit of a climb first thing in the morning, that's all right. Rocky. Closing in on Katahdin. What we'll do is we'll do one last stay in Monson, and then we're going to do 100-mile wilderness. A lot of people setting off today. We had quite a few at the shelter last night. Saw Sad Soup there. We had Can. We had Tigger, eggs. A little top of the foot issue, but no big deal. We got that. Wow, look at you.
Dance.
You're pretty. You're a pretty male. Are you a chicken? Do you want to be a chicken? Is that what you want? He's like, huh? What? What are you talking about? Cool.
Yeah, he's distracting us from the female. He's going to go to the branch.
Oh,
So he can
all right.
poop on us.
Well, we'll move away from you, buddy. Yeah, I saw it. He just pooped.
I told you.
Yeah.
Going above us so he can poop on us.
We're in the caves. Whew. There they are. Whew. Yeah. I'll back up a little bit. Yeah, it's all the caves. It'd be nice to spend a little time here too at some point. Explore the caves.
I could live there.
I know.
Put a little door on the front. Waterproof top on it.
Yeah, I think the Flintstones were here at one time. Yeah, look, they even have an overhang. Perfect.
Another historic.
Yeah.
You know the dino.
Yeah.
What happens when you climb mountains? You become delirious.
Yep. You see things that aren't there.
Things are not really there, like houses with a thatched roof that are really a big rock with ferns going up.
Yeah. Oh, man. Talk about crazy. Moxie Pond.
That's Moxie Pond down there.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
Where we did our little Moxie commercial. Yeah. That's good. All right. Up we go. Look at this, guys. So it looks like we just came out. It's all uphill. See at the top. Still going. Moxie Pond back there. We'll get there soon. See the sign coming up. That's just a sign telling you that the top is over here. Big old tie down. when it's windy up here, you got to tie yourself down to these rings so you don't blow away. Moxie Bald Mountain. Here we are, 2,630 feet. Yep, we climbed it. Oh, yeah. We're here. Now we got to go down. We just climbed up, and now we go down. We're out here at Bald Mountain Lean-To. Catching a little break, a little something to eat, snack. As we come back here, this is Bald Mountain Pond. Compared to what it normally is. Normally we'd probably be close to knee deep in this water, but it's dry. And we are heading forward. Look who we found out on trail.
Hello.
Surplus. And Nails is either ahead or behind. We're not really sure, but
Pretty close.
yeah, not too far. So, all right, man.
See you up ahead.
We'll see you ahead. That's funny. So we haven't seen Surplus or Nails since Virginia, when we were at Bear Garden. We were doing the 27-mile cakewalk. That was our last running. So here we are in Maine, and they knew we were all close because they would see my entries in the book. So they're always fairly close behind us. All right, so we ended up out here at Horseshoe Canyon Lean-To. It's about 5 miles from Monson on September 14th. We already got water, which is a nice little distance down, way down, and way down. So we got that. We hear there's a homeless person here, but we haven't seen anybody yet. Just the two of us. I think everybody pushed to get into Monson, but we don't want to pay for 2 nights. So we're going to stay out here tonight, go into Monson tomorrow, stay overnight, and then it's the 100-mile wilderness. 100-mile wilderness is probably about 6 days, and then we're Katahdin. Time is running out, so we're counting down. It's going fast, very fast. Got a brand new privy here. There's the old privy. They have it screwed shut so you can't go in it. But the new privy, you know, always ADA accessible. It must be. Now, 66 degrees earlier. About 64 right now. But pretty much the same. Trapdoor to get down to where the poo-poo is. They even give you, there's a lot of privies you'll see that have the gallon of, sanitizer here for your hands. Some wood chips to throw down in the hole. Behind the door, we got grizzlies. Yeah. Made in Alaska, huh? Wonder if they use it to toss salad. Oh, man. Privies. Privies. People love privies when they come up to them. They're nice. So, yeah, we're not that far away from them. It's just a little walk away. Some of them they've been putting out far. The new ones they've been kind of putting pretty far away. It's a little bit of a walk. But a lot of tenting spots around here as well. So tomorrow it's monsoon. And then the day after, we start the 100-mile wilderness. So, wow. We're here. Katahdin's right there. So we're like, you know, we're in touching distance of Katahdin. It's amazing. The journey's almost over. It's a shame. What are you going to do? It's, we know it ends at some point. It seemed to go, it went on for so long, and, but it went quick at the same time. So, you've been out here 6.5 months, and at the same time, it went really fast. Well, yeah, acorns, hi ahoy. That had to be sad soup. Sad soup went ahead. Ahoy never made it last night to the shelter. So we saw Ahoy on trail today as we were coming up to this shelter. She passed us. She was 21 miles in. She said she was going to make her 30 miles today, but it was only 6 miles to Monson. That's the trail to get back to the AT. This is a really cool route here. I don't know. Yeah, the way the tree grew. I'm like, check that out. How cool is that? It's almost like a seat. Anyway, I guess we will see you in the morning. Ta-ta.